Section 3, Educational Requirements. Educational requirements are newly appointed reserve component officers assigned to the Judge Advocate General Corps ranks, except for the U.S. Army Reserve officers with the grant with a coordinated assignment. Judge Advocate General Corps Army National Guard of the United States, officer with the granted with the condition of the Judge Advocate Corps, branch education qualification, federal recognition defined in paragraph 7 of the 9, appointment with the rank of first lieutenant, captain requires credit, Judge Advocate, officer of the basic course of the direct commission corps, with appointment with the rank major of the above, with the required with the credit, Judge Advocate, general official, graduate course, or with the Judge Advocate, officer of the advanced course, assigned with the Judge Advocate position, except with the officer of the granted with the condition of assignment, the Judge Advocate course, branch education qualification, federal recognition, described in paragraph 7 of the 9, otherwise approved with the assignment of the Judge Advocate position with the Judge Advocate General with the Reserve Corps. Judge Advocate officers must be education qualified before assignment of the Judge Advocate position with the commander of the TPUs. Troop Program Unit will not assign the Judge Advocate officer with the Judge Advocate position will remove the Judge Advocate position with the non-Judge Advocate officer for the found they have been so assigned. As a reserve component officer with the assigned with the Judge Advocate position will be reassigned with the non-Judge Advocate position with the non-education qualified with the position officer recognized with the conditional appointment with the contingent conditional. Pure recognition under paragraph 7 of the 9 are not making satisfactory process with the instruction leading with the qualifications determined with the Chief PPTO. Personal Planning Training Office in court with the Dean of the Judge Advocate Learning Command Center. 709. Conditional assignment with the conditional Judge Advocate General Corps Educational Branch Qualification Federal Recognition. U.S. Army Reserve Officer with the U.S. Army Reserve Officer with the otherwise qualified who have not completed with the educational requirements specified in the paragraph 7 and 8 may receive the conditional assignment with the Judge Advocate General Corps. Do so, such officers must complete with the following education requirements. Officer with the grad first lieutenant with the captain must complete with JAOBC. Judge Advocate Officer Basic Course for the Judge Advocate Graduate Course 24 months for the conditional assignment of the completion of the Judge Advocate Basic Course, where is later Officer of the Grad Major of the Beloved must complete Judge Advocate General Corps Judge Advocate, which is later. Army National Guard, pursuant with the AR 135-100, Army National Officer to apply for the federal recognition and associated points with the reserve of the serve of the members of the Army National Guard, United States, and otherwise qualified but have not completed with the educational requirements specified in the paragraph 7 and 8, receive the Judge Advocate General Corps Education Branch qualification purpose of the federal recognition assigned with the Judge Advocate General Corps. In order to qualify, such officers must complete the following education qualifications. Officer with the grade of First Lieutenant Captain must complete the Judge Advocate Office Operation Basic Course within 12 months of the day of the conditional assignment. Captains within 42 months of the promotion eligibility date with the Judge Advocate Advanced Course. Judge Advocate Graduate Course 24 months. Conditional assignment completion. Judge Advocate Basic Course, whichever is later. Officer for the Graduate Major above with the complete the Judge Advocate Advanced Course. The Judge Advocate Graduate Course within 24 months of the date of completion. Appointment completion. Judge Advocate Basic Course, whichever is later. Completion requirements for failure to complete education requirements at time specified by the main result of the termination. Officer with the assignment of the termination for the recognition. Section 710, Education Requirement Promotion, U.S. Army Reserve Promotion, Federal Recognition, Army National State Promotion. Judge Advocate must meet with the education requirements promotion next higher grade as stated. U.S. Army Reserve Officer, the conditional assignment of the Judge Advocate General Corps for military education stipulation on paragraph 7 of 9 will education qualified to promote grads to lieutenant colonel if their position satisfactory determined the Judge Advocate General with the Judge Advocate General designee toward completion of the required military education promotion for the recognition board conveyances program satisfactory purpose of the recollection means completion of all the course of the Judge Advocate General Office Basic Course promotion to captain, Judge Advocate Advanced Course promotion to major, but still pending graduation for readiness phase. Section 4, Administration Personnel Assignments.